everyone! Welcome back to the VidAU channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to effortlessly create professional video ads using the VidAU AI video generator. Whether you're a business owner, marketer, or content creator, this tool is perfect for you if you're tired of spending countless hours on video creation and want to enhance your marketing without breaking the budget. Don't miss this video and VidAU. Let's jump right in. To get started, head over to the VidAU website and log into your account. If you're new, you can easily create a free account and start exploring. Once you're logged in, you'll land on this user-friendly dashboard. With VidAU, you can quickly and easily generate captivating ads in 3 ways. VidAU supports product URL to video ads, product description to video ads, and you can also use VidAU Video Templates to create video ads. I will show you how to use VidAU to generate video ads in these 3 ways, step by step. First, we use the fastest way to generate video ads. URL to video ads. On the VidAU dashboard, click on URL to video ads. Enter your product link from Amazon, Shopify, and Etsy. Then click Generate Videos. Wait for a few seconds for AI generating to automatically analyze the product page link and extract the product name, product description, image, video, and product details. You can modify and supplement the product details automatically extracted by AI according to your needs. Upload more images or videos. And if there is no problem, click Next to continue. Then you can select visual style, includes video length, language, define target audience. If customization is complete, click Next. AI will generate optional video scripts for you. You can choose the script you like or use your own video script and click Next to go on. Wait for AI generate the video for you, and then you can see multiple video templates generated by AI. You can preview these videos and choose the one that meets your needs. If you are not satisfied with the currently displayed video template, you can click Generate More. If you find a suitable video and are satisfied with it after previewing, you can directly click Render to export the video. If you want to customize the video details, you can click Edit in the upper right corner of the video template to enter the video editing. You can customize the video music, text, background, images, AI avatar, and other details. After you have finished customizing your video, you can preview it and click Render when you're satisfied. Once successfully generated, you can click My Content to view, download, and share your video. Next, we use the Description to Video Ads feature. On the VidAU dashboard, click on Description to Video Ads. Add product details in Cloud Product Name, Product Description, Product Image, and Video. In order for AI to fully understand your product, it's recommended that you add at least 3 media files. If done, click Next. The following steps are the same as the previous URL to video steps. You can select visual style, choose the AI-generated script you like, and select or custom edit the AI-generated video until you are satisfied and export your video. Finally, we will show you how to use VidAU's rich video templates to create engaging video ads for you. On the VidAU dashboard, click on Templates, and you will see some great-looking video templates here. You can choose the one that suits your product and click Use this template. Then you will go directly into the video editing, where you can customize the video music, text, background, images, AI avatar, and other details, and replace the content and materials in the template with those that meet your product video advertising needs. After modifying the video, you can preview it and click Render to view, download, and share your video. That's it! We've just used VidAU AI Video Generator to create professional, high-quality video ads in just a few minutes using 3 different methods. If you want to try creating your own video ads easily, click the link below the video to get started. If this video was useful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this, and hit the bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you for watching, and happy video creation!